In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type a fraction in Canva. So whether you're working on a project for school, designing a professional presentation, or simply experimenting with different design elements, learning how to include fractions can add a unique touch to your work. Let's walk through this step by step, so by the end you'll feel confident in adding and customizing fractions in your Canva designs. To start, open Canva and navigate to the design where you want to include your fraction. Once you have your design open, you'll want to locate the Apps section. It's typically found on the left side of the Canva interface. Clicking on Apps can be your gateway to a multitude of tools and functionalities that Canva offers, including our goal for today, typing fractions. Next, within this app section, head over to the search bar and type in equations. This will bring up a feature that allows you to incorporate mathematical symbols and notations. Clicking on equations opens up a realm of possibilities for integrating academic and mathematical expressions into your design effortlessly. Now that you're in the equations tool, you'll want to locate the fraction icon. It may look like a small grid or a solid line dividing two boxes. Clicking on this icon brings up the option to enter the numerator and the denominator for your fraction. Take a moment to think about the fraction you wish to illustrate, and then go ahead and type the respective numbers into these fields. After you've keyed in your numbers, you might want to check the preview to ensure everything looks just right. Canva makes it really straightforward by showing exactly how your fraction will appear in the document. This preview is handy as it allows you to make any edits before finalizing the equation. Once you're satisfied with how your fraction looks, the next step is very straightforward. Click on Insert Equation. Doing so will paste the fraction into your design canvas where you can move, resize or style it just like any other text or image element in Canva. This great flexibility means you can effortlessly adapt it to fit your design scheme. That's basically it. By following these steps, you're all set to add fractions to any of your Canva designs. Don't forget, being able to include mathematical notations like fractions can really enhance the professional feel of educational materials or provide creative options in more casual design projects. Have a go with these features and see how they can enhance your work. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy designing in Canva.